Are you having problems with being action blocked on Instagram and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this issue. So what you're going to do firstly is to just open up your Instagram app, and then you're going to come to your profile right here, as you can see. And now when you're on your profile and you want to be able to fix the action blocked notification that you get, well, you're going to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, you should now be able to view all of these suggestions right here. So we're going to click on settings and privacy. So click here, just going to load, and perfectly, as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here. Scroll down in here, and then you're going to click where it says help. So click on help, and then you're going to click where it says report a problem. So click here, then once again click on report a problem, click on include and continue, as you can see, and now you're going to write exactly like this to the support to be able to fix this. I'm having issues with being action blocked on my account. Please fix this for me. So this is exactly what you need to write to the Instagram support. I am having issues with being action blocked on my account. Please fix this for me. And now click on send in the top right corner. And now you need to wait 24 to 48 hours for the Instagram support to be able to see that you have actually submitted this to them. So 1 to 2 business days, and then you can actually go ahead and follow or like whatever you were doing before. This should now be fixed. And sometimes it's much quicker, by the way, than 24 to 48 hours. If you're lucky, maybe even after 1 hour this is fixed. So you can even try after 1 hour and see if they have actually now fixed this for you. But quite often it is 24 to 48 hours, unfortunately. But try after 1 hour, and I hope that this has now been solved for you.